呢一個係 Snus， 咁呢一個究竟係啲乜嘢嚟嘅咧？與其係我講俾你知，不如我等另一個人同你介紹。
It's a nicotine pouch, basically. So these ones are the white ones. These are not snus.
Okay.
The snus are with tobacco. These ones are no tobacco, only nicotine. So it's basically plant-based fibers, flavor and added nicotine. Many people in Sweden say, I use snus, and they use these ones.
Okay.
I also say that, but to be honest, these are not snus. This is not real snus.
Okay, but because these are more popular now?
Yes, at least for us. We sell much more of the nicotine pouches than the snus.
OK， 即係原則上呢一樣嘢唔係真係 Snus， 不過而家年輕人都係咁叫佢，咁所以我哋都俗稱佢做 Snus 啦，好嘛？點解 Snus 喺瑞典咁有趣呢？就因為瑞典想成為一個冇毒品嘅一個國家，咁當然個個國家都想 clean 多少少噶啦。
Yeah, younger people don't want tobacco. I think tourists also don't want a lot of tobacco. We have so many from Germany, Denmark, Austria. They come here and they want all the white ones.
It's under the lips, right?
Yes, I have.
Oh wow. So this kind of works similar to nicotine patches in some sense.
You could say that, but it has flavor also, and yeah, it's faster than nicotine patches.
咁但係瑞典咧真係舉行好多唔同嘅政策咧，就係限制啲人咧去用唔同嘅產品。咁但係 Snus 咧，你只係18歲就可以入去買。And how long does it take effect?
It gives effect very fast. Lasts for maybe 30 minutes, depending on what brand. So you can have a very intense one, but it lasts shorter, or you can have a more long-active brand that has a bit slower effect, but the curve is longer. 呢個產品咧，亦都只係喺瑞典同埋咧係某幾個地方係可以賣嘅啫。基本上成個歐洲咧都係禁止銷售嘅。如果你嚟到瑞典啦，你基本上係邊度都可以揾到呢一個產品去賣，士多仔啊。超級市場啊，專門店啊，邊度都有。We have so many Asians coming here, and they think it's skincare.
Oh.
They say it's for skin. No, it's nicotine.
Yeah.
And then it's not as attractive.
咁點解瑞典一個咁抗拒咧？唔同人用啲比較危險嘅產品嘅國家咧，係由 Snus 尼古丁包去銷售咧？兩個字。傳統瑞典嘅人咧，16世紀已經開始用呢一啲嘅細袋仔噶啦。咁啊，當然啦，當時候嗰隻嘅 Snus 就係最傳統嗰個版本，有尼古丁同埋呢一個香草啦。咁但係而家我呢隻咧就係比較後生仔中意用嘅版本，就只係得尼古丁喺裏邊嘅啫。Yeah, I've not had nicotine in some sense.
No.
So, how does it feel?
I would not recommend you doing this the first time you use nicotine because it's quite strong. It will burn. Yeah, under the lip. It will burn a lot first time, and you will feel dizzy.
我記得上網睇個新聞就係話，佢哋想喺呢個產品上邊咧就係放多啲嘅監管，咁但係最尾都係唔成功嘅。
So basically everything here is nicotine free.
Yeah.
You have melon or licorice.
Oh, these are nicotine free.
Without nicotine.
Okay.
This is 50 milligrams of caffeine. It's quite a lot.
Yes. How much is 50 milligrams of caffeine?
Like a very big cup of coffee. These ones have vitamins as well.
Oh, vitamins.
Yes. So this is metabolite. It's supposed to help your metabolism.
Okay.
Magnesium and B1 and 20 milligrams of caffeine.
Okay.
It's a bit less. This is the lemon mint. You have the cucumber mint. That's also with B5 and B12. The magazine is supposed to help your brain focus.
Brain focus.
Yes.
而 Snus 亦都係成為一個幾嚴重嘅問題，就係因為佢哋嘅包裝係非常之靚嘅，咁啊吸引到好多年輕嘅人啦，就去買，然之後就開始使用呢個產品，而導致到佢哋有藥物上癮呢一個嘅問題。Because you're putting like up here.
Yeah. But
how does it like taste though? You don't taste anything, right?
It drips a little bit.
Ah, I see.
When it gets wet, it gives a bit like moist.
Okay.
These are kind of dry, so they don't give it too much. If you get too much flavor, you won't like it either.
Okay.
When you get a lot of flavor, it's when it's too much, it's not nice.
Okay.
These ones are well balanced.
而當然而家我手上拎住呢一個就係最低尼古丁嘅一個份量嘅 Snus 啦，但係啊
Strongest cigarette allowed to sell in Sweden is 1 milligram.
So
Even this is stronger than a cigarette.
Stronger than the strongest cigarette we have in Sweden.
而佢哋嘅分量亦都係可以去到非常之高。
So this is very, very strong, I suppose.
That's 12 milligrams. We have up to 50 milligrams of nicotine in one pouch.
What? Up to 50?
Yeah.
而我咧就係從來都未試過究竟尼古丁咧係有啲咩感覺嘅，咁所以咧剩翻最後一樣嘢係需要做啦，就係試呢一個 Snus。佢個產品旁邊都要寫住就係究竟呢一啲產品對身體有幾有害嗰啲，但係我諗真係都冇乜人會嚟嘅。佢就係話大約係等5分鐘咧就會見效同埋有感覺。哇，有少少燃燒喇喇地嘅感覺，我聞到有輕微嘅薄荷味。OK， 哇，係開始有啲喇，燒緊我嗰個牙肉嚟啊！哦，哇 ，what？ 點解啲人會中意呢樣嘢嘅喂 ？What？ 我淨係感覺到有少少燃燒我牙肉嘅感覺，到而家仲係，跟住有輕微嘅薄荷味，因為呢個係薄荷味 ，OK？ 但係個薄荷唔係你條脷感覺到，而係純粹個鼻索到聞到嘅感覺。佢哋話5分鐘大約就見效，但係已經5分鐘啦。I don't feel anything。其中一個瑞典人點解咁中意用呢個產品嘅原因，就係因為佢係夠隱藏，咁所以咧你就唔會俾人知道你係喺度用緊啲藥物啊之類。因為你飲酒咧就好明顯，一定要喺人哋面前飲啦。食煙就會影響到其他人，但係 Snus 咧，我 feel 唔到任何嘢。尼古丁應該係咩感覺㗎？我等我上網搜尋下尼古丁應該係咩感覺先。OK， 咁我冇 search 到尼古丁究竟啲咩感覺啦，反而係用 Snus 呢個產品會係啲咩感覺嘅，就應該會感覺到有少少 buzzed 同埋 chilled out， 即係放鬆嘅感覺。我有少少開始感覺到咧，我個頭有啲輕微浮浮啲嘅感覺。chilled out 我就真係唔知啦，我有冇放鬆到啦，我就真係唔知啦。係咪因為我太拘緊啦而家？因為我想知道佢究竟咩感覺，而家我發覺我感覺唔到任何嘢，係有輕微頭飄下飄下，輕微好輕微，真係好輕微嘅感覺。我感覺到少少啦，但係我唔中意呢個感覺。Sorry，I don't like it，I don't like it 。唔係，我真係感覺到啦，我真係開始感覺到啦，有少少飄下嘅感覺。OK， 我係開始覺得喉嚨好乾涸啊，我唔知係咩原因，但係我喉嚨好乾涸啦，然之後我真係飄下，我諗啲年輕人中意飄下嘅感覺，唔係開始越嚟越勁，唔係真係開始越嚟越勁。我已經拎佢出嚟，但係開始越嚟越勁。Oh my god！ 我要休息下 ，OK， 我要休息下。點解啲人中意呢個頭飄下嘅感覺？好啦，剪接緊嘅我咧係有啲嘢想補充嘅，因為我買埋呢一個咧，純粹係得呢一個維他命同埋咖啡因嗰個袋。我完全理解點解年輕人係咁中意用呢個產品，因為佢真係夠隱藏啦，你可以周不時去任何地方都可以 high 啦。同埋第二咧就係佢有咁多唔同嘅味道選擇嗰陣時候咧，一路 high 嗰陣時候，一路好似 dab 緊一粒糖喺個嘴唇度，係極度危險嘅產品。我與其好坦白講句，我與其係整一杯好好味嘅 cocktail， 我都未必真係有興趣呢一個。可能其他果汁味可能會好啲，不過 no。Done, it's done. This video is done. Thank you. 我要休息下 ，cause I'm feeling it。我開始感覺到啦。See ya. Bye.